Hello and welcome to AM Surveying and Block Management. We're thrilled to have you on board. Our team of expert property management professionals are excited to start working with you. My name is Jake, AM's Communications AI, and in this short video, I shall explain how we undertake integration of your development so we are ready to provide our first-class services seamlessly right from day one. To ensure the most effective results, onboarding is conducted by our senior managers. What is onboarding? The period between completion of our terms through to the first day of management is the time we use to get ready for efficient management of your development. Remember, ensure you've informed the outgoing managing agent of a conclusion to their services and provide them our contact details. We'll be in touch with them soon. The last day of the outgoing managing agent's services should coincide with the first day of ours, and so you should align the giving of notice to outgoing management accordingly. Our onboarding process takes 3 phases. Phase 1, initial setup and information gathering. Phase 2, assessment and build of management framework. And Phase 3, rollout and commencement of management. Service charge funds are to be held in a ring-fenced client bank account, and so we need to open an account for this purpose. Further, details of your development are now added to our block management software, including address, secretarial information and floor plans, so we can begin to study site layout and are ready to receive even more information as we continue onboarding. Next, our handover letter is sent to outgoing management. Information we require is the names and addresses of all owners, collection of keys and papers, insurance schedules, and obtaining acknowledgement that a transfer of funds is made on the transition day. Also, we need the latest budget, service charge accounts, and the current period invoices. We extract details of suppliers from the invoices obtained. It may take a few more weeks to compile all information, such as a full history of maintenance records. Handover may last 3 months, although is often much quicker. As soon as we receive the database of property owners' names, we shall dispatch our introduction letters, usually a few weeks before we start management. Introductory letters contain the date for the start of our services, contact for your allocated property manager, details on how maintenance issues are reported into us here at Mission Control, and other information useful to property owners. Moving to onboarding phase 2, we assess and build information received into a plan. This includes a review of maintenance, insurances, legal documents, health and safety compliance, and assessment of replacement suppliers where relevant. All cyclical maintenance is built into what we call a works planner. Think of gutter clearance, redecorations, and compliance inspections. Every building is different, so your works planner is constructed by our senior staff, ensuring you benefit from their years of experience. Our property inspections team shall conduct our onboarding site visit. During the site visit, we gather a photographic database, capture site access, utility information, assess compliance and maintenance. All details are thereafter ready for use by our property managers. Having now gathered all initial information and by finishing our management framework, we move to the final stage of onboarding. At phase 3, we're ready for our first day of management. At this stage, we're ready to commence the collection of service charges and begin handling day-to-day property owner inquiries. During this closing phase, it's essential we obtain absolutely all financial information from prior management, and be assured we shall do so, including the transfer of funds on or around the first day of management. At conclusion of onboarding, our senior staff conduct internal handover meetings with your allocated property manager, where management framework and objectives are passed to them and our wider team to propel them into their successful working relationship with you. This is the time we will be back in touch and align our objectives with you. In summary, onboarding is split into 3 phases. Phase 1 is where we set up our systems and establish contact with outgoing management. Phase 2 is an assessment of information, building a management framework, and informing all owners of our start date. Finally, in Phase 3, we're ready for management. This includes ensuring we've received all financial information. Our senior team conduct internal briefings with your property manager so they can take objectives forward. Thank you for selecting AM Surveying and Block Management. We're thrilled to be working with you. Our team are committed to making buildings better, and rest assured, you're in safe hands.